She's the girl you never heard. She's the girl you never wanted.
Ikaw ang dahilan.
Until someone else did.
I want to be remembered as the vice president who was a very good partner of the president in steering this administration.
Bakit si Lena?
Ayaw ko sabihin, nahiya ako. Maganda siya. Basta maganda siya.
On its 20th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly brings a story that will make you appreciate what you had